How to transfer photos from camera to laptop and PC. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. You can transfer photos from your camera to laptop or PC using different methods depending on your camera type. The first method is using a USB cable. Most cameras come with a USB cable to connect directly to your computer. You want to turn on your camera and set it to transfer mode. Connect the camera to the PC using the USB cable. Then open File Explorer and look for the camera under this PC. Open the camera folder and copy the photos to your desired location. Next method is using an SD card reader. If your laptop or PC has an SD card slot, you can use this method. For this, remove the SD card from the camera, insert the SD card into the card reader. Open File Explorer and navigate to the SD card folder under this PC. Copy and paste the photos to your computer. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.